Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a narrow niche and a clear paid offer. That focus makes monetization predictable. Once chosen, validate demand quickly with small ad tests or a landing page to collect 100 interested emails. Make sure to set up a lightweight CMS, email provider, and tracking so you can measure conversions. Then create a simple lead magnet that directly ties to a paid product. This reduces friction and turns traffic into paying prospects fast. Once you have initial validation, implement a repeatable content system that prioritizes search intent and buyer stages. You should produce 2 pillar posts each week and 3 shorter posts that answer quick questions. This balances traffic and conversion. Use templates for headlines, intros, 3-step solutions, and call to actions so content is consistent and faster to create. Also make sure every post has a clear monetization path, affiliate links, email capture, product pitch, or consult booking, so traffic directly feeds revenue. To finish, scale what converts and stop what doesn't. Run 3 ad tests per channel and double down on the one with consistent ROI. You'll want to /B test landing pages, headlines, and your initial email sequence to raise conversion by measurable amounts. Also diversify income streams, courses, memberships, affiliate, and consulting, so one dip won't collapse revenue. If things go wrong, audit offer market fit first, then traffic quality, then UX. That order finds root causes fastest and saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.